Hey everyone, Quantevo here. Let's be real, making YouTube videos, even short ones, takes time. And sometimes you just want a simple, fast way to get your ideas out there. That's where InVideo AI comes in. Today we're diving deep into InVideo AI, a tool that uses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify video creation. We'll explore its features, how it works, and why it might just be your next favorite video creation tool. So, what exactly is InVideo AI? In a nutshell, it's like having an AI video editor at your fingertips. This online tool helps you create professional-looking videos in minutes, even if you're a total beginner. Forget spending hours learning complicated software or editing footage. With InVideo AI, you can easily turn your ideas into engaging videos with just a few clicks. How does it work? InVideo AI leverages the power of artificial intelligence. Just feed it your script or even a simple outline, and it'll automatically generate a video complete with visuals, music, and even voiceovers. You can customize everything, of course, but it's amazing how much it does for you right out of the gate. InVideo AI offers a free plan that's perfect for dipping your toes into the world of AI-powered video creation. The free plan gives you access to a wide variety of templates, stock footage, music, and even the ability to create videos in different aspect ratios for various platforms. You can also export your videos in high-definition 720p. Now, like most free plans, there are a few limitations. The main one is the watermark. Your videos will have an InVideo AI watermark, which is standard for free plans. Additionally, the free plan has a cap on the number of videos you can create per month. But hey, it's free, and it's a great way to test drive the platform before committing. If you're serious about creating videos regularly and want to unlock the full potential of InVideo AI, their paid plans are definitely worth checking out. The paid plans remove the watermark and honestly, give you access to a ton more features. You get unlimited video creation premium templates, access to a vast library of stock footage and music, and the ability to create videos in stunning 4K resolution. The paid plans are perfect for creators, businesses, or really anyone who wants to create high-quality videos consistently. They offer great value, especially if you factor in the time and effort InVideo AI saves you. Let's get practical and make a YouTube video using InVideo AI. We're aiming for speed and simplicity here. Step 1. Choose a template or start from scratch. InVideo AI offers a ton of templates for different types of videos. Choose one that fits your style or, just start with a blank canvas. Step 2. Add your content. This is where the magic happens. Paste your script or outline into InVideo AI. You can also add your own images, videos, and music. Step 3. Let InVideo AI work its magic. Hit the Generate Video button and watch InVideo AI transform your content into a video. It's seriously that easy. Step 4. Customize and polish. Review your generated video. You can change the visuals, music, text, and even add voiceovers. Step 5. Export and share. Once you're happy, export your video. InVideo AI makes it easy to share directly to YouTube and other platforms. See, 5 minutes and you've got a polished video ready to go. InVideo AI is a game changer for anyone who wants to create videos quickly and easily. It's perfect for YouTubers, social media managers, educators, and businesses of all sizes. Now let's talk about strengths. First, speed. Create videos incredibly fast. Then, ease of use. No prior video editing experience needed. It's AI powered, so the AI really does the heavy lifting for you. And of course, there's plenty of customization, so you can personalize your videos just the way you want. Best uses? YouTube videos like tutorials, explainer videos, and product demos. Social media content that's engaging and super shareable. Marketing and advertising, create compelling video ads. And educational content, making learning way more engaging with video. Recommendations? For beginners, don't be intimidated. InVideo AI makes video creation approachable for everyone. For pros, you can speed up your workflow and focus on what matters most, your content. InVideo AI is a powerful tool that puts professional-grade video creation within everyone's reach. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro, InVideo AI has something to offer. Give it a try and see what you can create.